back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. Today I am going to be making this vegan bacon. I've never seen this before. I saw it at Tesco's. I'm not sure what the price is, but it is gluten free. Cook in the pan for 3 minutes. Hi Micah. So yeah, I'm going to put this in the pan and I'll show you what it looks like. So I've just been cooking some tofu in here. It freakishly looks like real bacon, I would say, and it has a really like smoky smell to it. It smells nice, so I'm going to cook it up. So I didn't realise that this brand, it looks like they make like pork bacon. I thought there was a vegan brand, but they're saying they're yeah, making bacon without nitrate. So there's nutritional value if you wanted to see that. And you get 10 in a pack. So it's sizzling. It says unsmoked, but to me it smells smoky. I didn't even realise. I'll just turn them over. So that's what it looks like cooked. It seems to like stiffen up a little bit when it's on the plate. So let's, oh, you know, I was just gonna pick it up with my fingers, but let's just taste it. So that's what it looks like. I wouldn't say that it's got like a, maybe, I don't know, maybe it needed a bit longer. I'll just try this one because this one looks a bit more crispy. Maybe I might just put it back in again and then come back, because it's not got like a crispy, like I like it when it's crispy. So I'm gonna put it back in the pan. Okay, so I've crisped it up a bit more. It's not like, I don't know. Yeah, it's not smoked. It smelled it when I was cooking it. Do you want to try some? Is that nice? Have you just eaten your dinner? So it tastes nice. Say bye bye. Bye. It tastes nice. If you don't want a smoky bacon, then I think this would be a good one. But if you do like the smoky flavour, then this is not bacon, I think it's called. I would go for that brand. I do have a review of that above if you want to check it out. I would say that's my favourite vegan bacon so far. I like that this is longer, but this is not bacon. It's like shorter and thicker, but the flavour that comes off that is just really, really delicious. Okay, we'll say bye in a minute, okay? So yeah, I hope that you liked this review, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, I would love it if you were subscribed to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.